Downloading data from Google Drive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your files. Step 1. Sign into Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Enter your Google account credentials to log in. Step 2. Locate the file or folder. Once signed in, browse through your drive to find the file or folder you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top if you have many files. Step 3. Select the file or folder. Click on the file or folder you wish to download to highlight it. If you want to download multiple files, hold down the Ctrl or Command or Mag key while clicking on each file. Step 4. Download the selected items. Right-click on the highlighted file or folder and select the download option from the context menu. If you are downloading a folder, it will be zipped into a single file. Step 5. Save the file. The browser will prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save the downloaded file. Select the desired location and click Save. Now you have successfully downloaded your data from Google Drive. Enjoy accessing your files offline.